The rear door alert is a feature that can indicate there is an object or passenger in the back seat. The rear door alert is initially disabled. To enable or disable the system, use these controls to select Settings, Vehicle Settings, Rear Door Alert, then select an option to change a setting or turn the system off. When the system is enabled, the rear door alert is activated when one of the rear doors is used within 10 minutes before driving. This message will display, allowing you to disable the alert or dismiss the message. After the vehicle is driven and placed into park, the same message will be displayed again. If the driver did not disable the alert, this message is displayed as a reminder to check the rear seat. The horn will sound if a rear door has not been opened after the driver exits the vehicle, or if the doors are locked. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.